And the man them got it cracking again. 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 I know one thing for certain. You better keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking. Cause I told the city in Addison Lee. And if I pull up then it's curtain. I ain't had a good night's sleep since God knows when. Keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking. When you hear the bad line booming, you know the money had me riding brutal. Now they see me and say boof daddy, boof daddy. Everywhere I go they say boof daddy, boof daddy. In the ends I'm the boof daddy, boof daddy. You done now, you done now.
Once I'm tremendous, dress code horrendous, making six-figure moves, we got different agendas. This my house, don't wear your crepes on my carpet. Life of a misfit, broke nigga forfeit. 4-figure outfit, 3-course meal, I put my money where my mouth is. No two ways about it, let one nigga doubt it. 20 in a mattress, niggas couldn't match this. This is just practice. Oh, now I'm getting paid, did I mention? They never used to pay no attention. Nowadays I hate the attention. Nah, let me be honest, I love it. Spend yesterday's profit and think nothing of it.
I know one thing for certain. You better keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking. Cause I told the city in Addison Lee. And if I pull up then it's curtain. I ain't had a good night's sleep since God knows when. Keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking. When you hear the bad line booming, you know the money had me riding brutal. Now they see me and say boof daddy, boof daddy. Everywhere I go they say boof daddy, boof daddy. In the ends I'm the boof daddy, boof daddy. You done now, you done now.
Ooh, I'm the boof daddy, baby take a look at me. And if this whip gets spun, they'll throw the book at me.
And the man them got it cracking again. And the man them got it cracking again.
Fuck probation, I'm chilling overseas. Everything's different cause I'm free. Button down shirt, make your missus wanna pre. Don't worry, there's plenty more fishes in the sea. It's okay, my brother, no way they're badder. Dolce Gabbana, man, I clean up nice, make everybody spectate. I'm just playing chess with my best mate. Did you back checkmate?
I know one thing for certain. You better keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking. Cause I told the city.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Drop top, how we rollin' down on Collin South Beach. Look like Kelly rollin', this might be my destiny. She want me to eat it, I guess then it's on me. Know I got the sauce like a fucking recipe. She just wanna do it for the grand. She just want this money in my hand. I'ma give it to her when she dance, dance, dance. She gon' catch a Uber out the Calabasas.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Yo, bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
I think you got the wrong impression about me back. Just cause they heard what hood I'm from, they think I'm crazy. Okay, well maybe just a little crazy. Cause I admit I'm crazy about that lady, yeah. Finger to the world, let's fuck you, baby. I've been slaving, gun the pussy cause I'm running out of patience. No more waiting, no. Bouncing like a yo-yo, living life on fast forward, but we fucking slow-mo, yeah.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan.
Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff, I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got the time for that. Might need me a refund. I'ma need that time back. You say you'll try, I've heard that line 1,000 times before. I'm not sad, I'm not crying. If you mad, that's fine, but I think that I should go. Yeah, why you tryna play me? You being a different you and I'm being the same me. You coulda had Gucci, but now it's so Navy. And your homegirl wanna date me, she shady, baby. Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff, I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got no time for that. Might need me a refund. I'ma need that time back.
Damn, why are you playing with me? You don't even like girls, huh? So I need you to tell me, baby, what you want, just like the Spice Girls. It's confusing cause you flirty, but you ain't gon' be the one to say you ever did me dirty. I got pride for that, pay no mind to that. But believe me, if it's fire, I'll make time for that. I'll be faithful, Johnny Cash, walk the line for that. Otherwise I'll just be single and I'm fine with that. Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff, and I've been on that same shit.